So today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. This is unboxing of some natural hair products from Gwen Estelle Natural. She is it's a Jamaican owned hair care company, and she basically specializes in natural hair products. So you have your glaze, you have your moisturizer, your deep conditioning treatment for your natural hair, or for persons who are transitioning from processed hair to natural hair. So I purchased my box. I think it took probably 2 to 3 weeks to get here. She's in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I saw her on Instagram. One of my very close friends told me about her products, and she stated that she has been seeing results since she started using it. So I searched for her on Instagram, found her, I read her reviews, and she has been getting some pretty good reviews from persons who has been using her product. So I decided to give it a try. I have been natural again for, I would say, almost 2 years since coming to the US. I started transitioning a couple months before I came here. So when I was coming here, I went ahead and cut all my processed ends off. So when I was coming, I really didn't have much hair, but I've always been doing protective styles. I've never worn my hair out since I came here. I've always been doing protective styles. So I do wigs, I do braids, I do crochet. That's what I think for the last year and a half. So I decided to go ahead and give her products a try and see if how it would help my hair basically to grow or to maintain that thickness or body fullness that it has. So she has a website. It's Gwen Estelle Naturals, or you can go on Instagram. I'll put her link in the description bar, so you can go ahead and check her out. Check out all her reviews, all the persons who have purchased their hair care line already and have seen results. They share their testimonials on her page, so you can see that for yourself. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the products that I have bought. I went ahead and I bought the length retention starter kit, and I bought the shampoo and deep conditioning treatment kit. But she has different products on the website, so you can actually buy the product based on what you want to do with your hair, right? So I want moisture, I want to seal in my moisture, and the deep conditioning to help me to prevent breakage or to decrease the amount of breakage that I have, especially since I always have my hair in a protective styles. The deep conditioning will help with strengthening your hair shaft. So because you're not combing it for a period of time, when you actually do comb it, you won't have so much breakage from your hair. So this is the box that I got. It's a really cute box, and on the inside these are the products. Neat packaging, and her slogan, become your own hair expert. I'm my own hair expert. So the length retention starter kit, it actually has 3 products in that kit. So the first is Nourish and Grow. Come on. A Nourish and Grow Continuous Infusion Hair Growth Serum. So it has the little sprout cap, and basically it has in castor oil, black seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, sunflower seed oil, bamboo extract, mango fruit extract, peppermint oil, cedarwood oil, essential oil blend, neem oil, calendula flower petals, and biotin. All of those are natural products, and those are very essential in hair growth. So let's smell it. Oh, and it actually has, which one of the petals is it? Calendula flower petals. It actually has the petals. If you look closely, you can actually see the petals on the inside. I really like that. This smells good. You can actually, you smell the peppermint, you smell the castor oil, you smell the mango, you smell the neem oil. I don't know how the rest of the oil smells, but you smell everything. So I can tell you that based on the ingredients in this alone will actually add to your hair growth. The second thing in the length retention starter kit is a Seal and Nourish hair glaze, and this has a shea oil and sacha inchi oil. So basically it helps to seal in the oil into your hair, and sealing with an oil will reduce the rate at which the moisture evaporates, thus keeping your hair moisturized longer. Alright, so it's made with the best natural oils nature has to offer, and it can also be used as a heat protectant, which is pretty good. So this one has in grapeseed oil, shea oil, sacha inchi oil, safflower oil, macadamia oil, and fragrance. So that's the Seal and Nourish hair glaze. So basically you use this oil to lock your moisture in after you have used the third product in the length retention starter kit, and it is a moisturizer. Listen, Kupaku, she's gonna have to correct me on these names. Kupaku Moisture Master Hair Moisturizer. So basically this helps to retain length. They say if you want to retain length, frequent moisturization must be a part of your hair routine, and this moisturizer detangles, conditions, and strengthens damaged hair. So moisturize, soften, reduce breakage. You'll be amazed at how soft and manageable your hair feels after each use. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. And basically after you have shampooed and deep conditioned your hair, you would apply this to dry or damp hair, work it into your hair, and then you apply your glaze to basically lock the moisture in. Alright, so once you use these two, you have a long-lasting hydration, and that will help to reduce breakage and help to retain your growth. So the second kit that I bought from her is the Banana and Biotin Deep Conditioning Treat and the Safflower and the Bamboo Hydrating Sulfate Free Shampoo. So your wash day routine, you start with your shampoo, then you go ahead and you do your deep conditioning. She basically gives the instruction on how to do it. So after you have used your sunflower and the bamboo hydrating shampoo, you remove excess water with a cotton t-shirt, and then you apply the conditioning treating sections. Cover your hair with a plastic cap, let it stay on 15 to 20 minutes for intense treatment, or longer if you want a deeper treatment, and then you rinse, air dry, moisturize. So it's the Banana Biotin deep conditioning treat with the Safflower and Bamboo hydrating shampoo, and that's the shampoo and conditioning. That's the shampoo and conditioning kit. And then the length retention starter kit has the Seal and Nourish hair glaze, the Kupaku moisturizer and the Nourish and Grow infusion serum. So I'm going to start using these as of next week. I'm going to try and do probably like a every week wash, or maybe like a every 2 week deep conditioning. I'm just going to use these products, and I'm going to see, probably I'll do a review maybe in 6 weeks time to see how my hair has responded to these products. I'll come and give you guys an update on that. You can go over on Instagram, check her out, check out her website. She ships, I think she ships internationally via DHL, and she has more than one payment option. So she has deposit into her bank account, or you can pay via PayPal. Right, so you have more than one option, especially for persons who live abroad who do not have a local bank account. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in another video. Bye.